Today we are at Shri Ganesh Tile Factory and we're gonna visit that. So this is a place that's office there and that's a factory. See a huge beautiful chimney there. So let's go ahead and visit the factory. This is where they bake the bricks. Those are the hair dried bricks. They are now stacking up. This is how the ceiling looks like. I noticed there are pores in the ceiling, I think, for ventilation. And pulled cart for load for transportation. A short video, unplanned video. This just happened. I hope you liked it. And that's all for today, guys. As usual, if you like this video, please do leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, do let me know in the comments down below whichever next factory which I should visit. And that's the factory tour for today.